In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage tasks and subtasks using ClickUp, a versatile and popular project management tool. Whether you're organizing a small team or coordinating a large-scale project, these tips will help streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. First, let's start by heading over to ClickUp's website in your preferred web browser. If you're new to ClickUp, you'll need an account to begin, so take a moment to sign up if you haven't done so yet. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your personalized dashboard where you can see various sections like spaces, tasks, and more. ClickUp is designed to be intuitive, so you'll find navigation relatively straightforward. The next step is accessing the Spaces section, which serves as the foundation for organizing your projects. Imagine spaces as different departments or project categories. It's where you house all the different projects you're working on. Click on Spaces from the left-hand sidebar, and then select the specific project you need to work on. This will open up a list of tasks associated with that project, providing you with an overview of what needs to be done. Once you've selected your project, look for tasks that need more detailed planning. Perhaps there's a larger task that can be broken down into smaller parts. Click on a task and then locate the plus icon. This icon is your tool for expanding a task into more manageable pieces. Click it and you'll see an option to add subtasks. Here's where you input the names for each subtask. Breaking down larger tasks into subtasks not only makes the workload seem less daunting, but also allows team members to tackle individual parts more efficiently. After you've input the subtask names, make sure to hit Save to ensure all your changes are recorded. If you find a subtask could be further divided into more detailed steps, you can easily repeat this process. Click on the plus icon next to the subtask this time and select Add Subtasks again. This nested structure allows for comprehensive detailing of tasks which can be assigned to different team members, thus promoting better clarity and accountability. So that's basically it. Once you've added all necessary subtasks and saved everything, you're good to go. You can then monitor these tasks as they progress, make adjustments if needed, and mark tasks as complete once they are done. Organizing projects in this manner can significantly enhance your productivity and help ensure no details are overlooked. ClickUp's task management features give you the flexibility to structure your projects as needed while allowing your team to stay coordinated. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your projects more efficiently. Stay organized, and remember to check out the other tools and features ClickUp has to offer to take your project management skills to new heights.